Is it time to buy or sell Knightscope stock? In this video, we will explore Knightscope in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 21st of October, 2024, and we are now here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You definitely don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 17th of September, 2024, our system has categorized Knightscope as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a remarkable gain of 153.83% since we initially advised purchasing Knightscope 25 days ago. This equates to an average return of 6.15% each day since it was classified as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system anticipates significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. In light of the recent developments, we are unable to predict the stock's next movement, as it could take either direction. The stock has broken through a significant and robust rising short-term trend, indicating an even stronger rate of ascent. In the event of a pullback, there will now be support at the ceiling of the current trend, previously broken at $11.63. This level may present a second opportunity for a substantial gain. According to fan theory, $16.12 is anticipated to be the next potential peak, serving as a resistance level that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 668.01% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 314.02% to 574.24%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a 31.94% change over the next year, with a potential return between negative 91.90% and 31.94%. This translates to a price range of $1.07 to $17.48 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Knightscope features the headline, Volatile Ride for Knightscope, Incorporated stock price on Monday, moving between $11.20 and $20.46. The Knightscope Incorporated stock price gained 19.37% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 21st of October, 2024, rising from $11.10 to $13.25. It has now gained for 5 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it can continue its upward trend or take a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 82.68%, with a low of $11.20 and a high of $20.46. The price has risen in 8 of the last 10 days and has increased by 128.45% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume also increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with an additional 3 million shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 3 million shares were exchanged for approximately $39.10 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $20.46, while the lowest price was 18 cents. Currently, the price is 35.24%, or $7.21, below the 52-week high, and 51.82%, or $14.25, below the all-time high reached on January 31st, 2022, when the price hit $27.50. Knightscope, trading under the symbol KSCP, has been making significant strides in its operations recently, capturing increased interest from investors. As of mid-October 2024, the company announced a series of service contract expansions with healthcare clients specifically for its ePhones, illustrating heightened demand for its innovative emergency communication technologies. This follows the company's successful scaling of emergency communication contracts with 3 universities, reflecting its growing presence in educational institutions. Additionally, Knightscope's reseller, TS&L, has issued purchase orders for 37 new devices, further indicating robust sales momentum. Notably, the expansion of emergency communication contracts with both the Fire Department of New York and the Port Authority of New York and New Jersey highlights the essential role Knightscope's technology plays in public safety initiatives. Recent developments indicate that Knightscope has regained full compliance with NASDAQ listing standards, which is crucial for maintaining investor confidence. Since September, 4 Knightscope clients have upgraded to the company's 5th-generation robot, further solidifying its position in the market. In the short term, these positive developments are likely to foster investor enthusiasm, potentially boosting KSCP's stock price as contracts translate into revenue growth. Long-term, sustained partnerships and expanding market share in various sectors could enhance the company's credibility and financial performance, making it an attractive option for growth-focused investors. Overall, Knightscope appears poised for a more favorable market outlook as it continues to broaden its service and product offerings. Analysts have assigned Knightscope stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. When it comes to return on investment, analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Knightscope. The stock of Knightscope Inc. shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these averages, where the short-term average is higher than the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support is expected at the levels of $8.94 and $5.19. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 8th of October, 2024, during which the stock has notably increased by 131.64%. Further upward movement is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Volume is also increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also been noted, which could impact short-term developments. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal indicated by the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal from 10 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 108 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 27 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 27 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 27 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 27 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 27 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Knightscope. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $11.10. Without any support from accumulated volume beneath today's level, the risk increases significantly. A drop below this support could lead to a substantial decline in the stock price. This stock is expected to experience considerable movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. The prediction interval from the Bollinger Band suggests that this stock is considered to be very high risk. In the last day, the stock fluctuated $9.26 between its high and low points, which is an increase of 82.68%. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 31.18%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Knightscope, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio means the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even established companies experience down periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal insufficient profit and possible bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for Q3 2024 is expected on Nov 11, 2024. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Knightscope. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests the stock could rise swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you may want to enter a position and use volume as a guide for when to exit. On the downside, Knightscope encounters its first support level at $11.10. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point while anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Knightscope from various analyst sources is a strong sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred over 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 11th of June, 2024, when Santana Eli William conducted an insider purchase of 4 million shares of stock option, also referred to as the right to buy. Our recommended stop loss is set at $12.80, indicating a decline of 3.4%. This stock exhibits substantial daily fluctuations, which introduces a significant level of risk. Notably, there is a buy signal derived from a pivot bottom identified 9 days ago. Is Knightscope stock a good buy? Knightscope Inc. presents several positive indicators. However, we do not consider these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate. At its current position, it should be viewed as a hold or accumulate opportunity while we wait for further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical landscape, we have adjusted our analysis from a strong buy to a hold or accumulate recommendation since our last evaluation. After assessing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 22nd of October, we anticipate Knightscope to open at $1.72, beginning trading at $14.97. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.